along with all of that, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick is aiming to have all forms of consumable THC banned from being sold here in Texas, arguing bad actors are selling unregulated products and selling it to kids. But some critics say the ban will hurt responsible consumers of the product. Aaron Davis breaks it down for us.
I lived in a fog.
There are 6 months of Dave Walden's life he says he doesn't remember. After being injured during his military service and multiple back surgeries, Walden was prescribed a cocktail of opioids, taking 6 to 7 pills a day.
It was ruining my career. It was ruining my life, quite frankly, and so I was looking for an alternative.
Walden now takes hemp-derived consumables such as Delta-8 and CBD, which are legal cannabinoids in Texas under a 2019 law that allowed for the commercialization of hemp, which might include trace amounts of THC. Products are typically sold in vape shops or gas stations.
These are glorified drug dealers that have set up shops in Texas neighborhoods and is selling drugs to our children.
Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick wants to ban the sale of all THC and reserve Senate Bill 3 to do so. He claims, quote, thousands of stores selling hazardous THC products have popped up in communities across the state, and many sell products that have 3 to 4 times the THC content, which might be found in marijuana purchased from a drug dealer.
Let us help. We'll help write the regulations.
Advocates for responsible marijuana use say the state should increase funding for the Texas Department of State Health Services to better regulate the industry.
Putting an age restriction on these products, requiring a business's ID, would help to reduce youth access, which we all support. We'd also like to see better testing protocols in place, especially for out-of-state products and synthetic products.
The lieutenant governor clarified a THC ban won't impact the state's medical marijuana program, but Walden says full-strength THC is too strong for himself and some other users who buy hemp-derived consumables from what they describe as good actors in the industry.
Like Hometown Heroes, that has a barcode on every one of their products that shows a third-party lab tested.
Supporters of Patrick believe the products do more harm overall than good for veterans and other consumers.
Intoxicating hemp products will worsen their symptoms and even can increase the risk for suicide.
If THC is banned, Walden says they will continue to help veterans find healthy alternatives for their pain.
We fought too hard for our nation. We need to fight harder for ourselves.
In Austin, Aaron Davis, Spectrum News.
Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage, and click the subscribe button right here. You can also download our app or watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.